We are the Jinshi. We are committed to the advancement of automatic welding technology for scaffolding. We are market-oriented, continue to customize personalized products and service for customers. We hold on, strive to build high-quality products and equipment. I believe in the power of technology. Jinshi has a number of invention patents and independent intellectual property rights. We use technology to change the production method of the entire scaffolding production industry, create greater economic benefits for customers, change the old pattern of made in China, and give new power to quality made in China.